Nigeria's President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has declared a nationwide state of emergency on security following a surge in kidnappings and violent bandit attacks across the country. The president made the announcement after a series of high-profile abductions that sparked national outrage. Under the new emergency measures, the federal government will begin mass recruitment into the police and armed forces, redeploy security officers from VIP duties to crisis-prone areas, and strengthen the Department of State Services with the deployment of specialized forest guards to track criminals hiding in remote forests. President Tinubu also called on the National Assembly to fast-track legal reforms, including the establishment of state police, which he says will improve local security response. Meanwhile, the National Assembly has firmly rejected any proposal to negotiate or enter peace deals with bandits. Lawmakers condemned the idea of ransom payment or granting amnesty to armed groups, insisting such negotiations only encourage more kidnappings. Both government chambers instead demanded tougher penalties for kidnappers, with some legislators pushing to classify kidnapping as terrorism under Nigerian law. Security experts say the emergency declaration signals a more aggressive approach to tackling insecurity, but warn that implementation and accountability will determine its success. As the new measures roll out, Nigerians across all regions are watching closely to see whether this decisive action will finally curb the ongoing wave of banditry and restore safety across the country.